Hi, Jared Picella, MarineMax Copiague. Welcome on board Boston Whalers 21 Dauntless. We'll start in the aft part. Great thing about a Dauntless is the large seating area that can be converted when you put it back down to a casting platform. Plenty of storage under these seats, as well as having a ski pylon that can be dedicated storage ski pylon can be pulled out and put in the center here to pull the ski up. Moving forward, we have the helm seat. Helm seat is reversible. So right now it's sitting so we can have a conversation with the people aft. Hi, Jared Picella, MarineMax Copiague. We're on board Boston Whalers 21 Dauntless. Check this boat out. Look at this back area where you can stand here and cast, no problem. Rod holders across the back. This seat opens up, plenty of space to sit. Storage underneath with a ski pole that you can take out and put right back in the center back here. Console with a cooler, pulls out, console seat. Storage underneath. Great helm area, a lot of room for electronics. Bimini top on this boat. Show you how that works. Clips in. Easy. Plenty of shade. Moving forward. Forward seating in front of the console. A livewell for fishermen. 4 more rod holders, cup holders, and a great bow area to lounge on. Awesome setup. Fish box. In front of the fish box, we have our anchor locker. Come down to MarineMax Copiague, check out the 21 Dauntless.